Hi guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video. On this video, I'll be showing you how to make ghost chili pickle. It is very simple to make and it can be eaten in multiple ways. Like we can add it in curry, we can make chutney using those pickles. Also, we can eat it like that. Not forgetting we can store them for off-season by pickling them, which is great. So let's get into the video without waiting any longer. First, dry the king chili and chop it into pieces. You can also dry it after chopping, either way is the same. Drying the king chili will remove the excess moisture we have on the chili, therefore enhancing the shelf life of the pickle. Pickle is done and it's ready to be served, but you can also sun dry it in the sun for 1 to 2 days for a softer texture. For a longer shelf life of any pickle, you need to use vinegar as well. I didn't use it on this video because none of the pickle lasts longer than a month in my house, but if you're intending to store it for a longer period, you need to use vinegar. Also, you don't need those many masalas to make this pickle. You just need 2 simple ingredients, that is mustard seed and coriander seed. They will have great scent and will taste good as well. Then remember to add enough mustard oil because that's not only gonna enhance the taste of the pickle, but also it will prolong the shelf life of the pickle. So this is my pickle recipe for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video.